Hey y'all, so today I'm coming with an eyebrow and lash tutorial. Lately I've been getting this request like crazy, so I just wanted to show y'all how I do my eyebrows and lashes under 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go in with my NYX eyebrow gel in the shade Espresso. You can get this from your local beauty supply store for maybe like $6.99, or you can get it from Target as well. So yeah, this is my go-to, one of my go-tos besides my regular eyebrow pencils from the beauty supply store. But yeah, so now I'm just going to take the angled brush and just work that product all through my eyebrows. Now I'm just going to take the brush and I'm going to outline the bottom of my brows. And I'm going to do the same thing for the top. And then I just go in and feel where there's any gaps in the hairs. And yeah, so we're just going to go from there. Okay, so now we're just going to do the same thing for the other brow. Now, since I told y'all my eyebrows are kind of different, I had to recently go and shape them up and trying to get them some kind of the same height and length, so it wouldn't be too far off. So I think they look kind of okay. Not really sure, so yeah. Please don't try to clown me in the comments. I'm just saying, I know my eyebrows are not the same. They're not twins. They might be sisters, but they're definitely not twins. So don't come for me. Please don't. So now I'm just going to go in and conceal my brows. I'm using my e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. So these shades are almost the same. They're maybe one shade different, but I'm going to use the e.l.f. concealer that is in the shade Deep Chestnut for the bottom. And I'm just taking this regular concealer. It's the angled concealer brush that I got from Amazon. Yeah, I love this brush. Like, it's so easy to move, especially with this product. It makes it like just glide evenly. You don't have to keep moving the brush, taking the brush, adjusting it or anything. It just glides with the concealer, and I love this brush. So yeah, so I'm just fixing any little errors that I see with the brows. Like I said, the eyebrows are not 100% even. I try to get them as close as possible, but yeah. So then I'm gonna go and take the LA Girl Pro Conceal and do the same for the top brow. But I noticed that the concealer was pretty much the same color for the top and the bottom. So I was like, I don't want that. I really don't want that halo eyebrow look. So I went in with another e.l.f. concealer. It was the shade, I want to say Rich Cocoa. This is also the 16-hour camo concealer as well. I like this concealer because it dries super matte, and the only like con about it is you really have to blend it out as soon as you put it down into your skin, because like I said, it's super matte and it dries super quick. Now y'all, this is my favorite brush to use. If y'all do not have this Real Technique shadow brush, y'all tripping, because it's something about this brush. It's just the fluffiness too is easy to blend out the concealers and stuff. I love this. I use this to actually blend out the under eye concealer as well as the eye concealer, and I use it as a shadow brush as well. Like, I love Real Techniques brushes because you can always use them as other things. Like, you don't always have to use them for what they're for. Like, I never use brushes for what they're really for. So as far as lashes, you guys, the lashes I'll be using today are from Amazon. These are the 25mm lashes, the same exact lashes that I used in last week's video. So pretty much everything that I that's in this video that I use, I will definitely put in the description box below, as far as the links and stuff like that. So yeah, so y'all can check them out whenever y'all are done watching the video and stuff like that. So I normally use my Sassy eyelash glue, but today I decided to use my I Envy lash adhesive by Kiss. I like this lash adhesive because you don't really have to use a lot. A little goes a long way, and I normally just let it sit and dry down a little bit. You know when it's completely dry when the glue turns blue. Because once you put it on, it's definitely white. So when it's dry, it's blue. I let it get tacky, and then I apply it to my lashes. So now I'm pretty much done. I just put the left lash on. And once that's on, I really just kind of play with them to make sure they're completely on. And then I just fan my eyelashes, make sure they're glued down completely, and try to stop my eyes from watering. And then that's pretty much it. I want to thank you guys for tuning in with me, and be on the lookout for another video. Bye.